Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, to calculate the width of the hole we need to add the clearance on both sides. Given junction box width equal to 7.62 centimeter, clearance required equal to 0.3 centimeter. Total clearance equal to 0.3 plus 0.3, that is equal to 0.6 centimeter. Now width of the hole equal to junction box width and total clearance on both sides. So width of the hole of the phone width of the hole equal to junction of this box, that is 7.62 plus 0.6, that is equal to 8.22 centimeter. Therefore width of the hole should be approximately 8.22 centimeter. I hope this solution is useful to you. Thank you.